Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Since having to cancel its 2020 event due to the global coronavirus pandemic, Rolling Loud has attempted to move its signature festival several times. The festival has acknowledged the issues this may have caused for fans who have booked and rebooked travel.
Make your mark, take our lead.
The festival will now take place over President's Day weekend, Feb 12 to 14, 2020, at Hard Rock Stadium in Miami Gardens, Florida. Rolling Loud intends to keep the majority of the artists from the 2020 lineup for the February 2021 edition. All tickets for the original dates will be honored at the February event.
Let's help you make your mark.
Travis Scott. Rolling Loud Miami 2021 announced Travis Scott, Post Malone, ASAP Rocky, more. Rolling Loud Miami has announced its 2021 festival. It takes place July 23 to 25 at Hard Rock Stadium in Miami Gardens, Florida. It retains the same headliners from the postponed 2020 festival: Travis Scott, Post Malone, and ASAP Rocky.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Rolling Loud indicated that there would be a limited batch of tickets available for the rescheduled event, starting on Friday, April 23 at 12 p.m. Eastern Time. While ticket prices have yet to officially be announced, general admission passes cost $329 plus fees in late January 2020, per Newsweek.
Let's help you make your mark.
Following this advice, Rolling Loud Portugal will be postponed to the new date of 6th, 7th, and the 8th of July 2021, and to this end, and in line with Rolling Loud's ticketing T&Cs, we will not be issuing refunds.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Rolling Loud Portugal has confirmed it will be postponing this year's festival until 2021, following the announcement from the Portuguese authorities that all events until the 30th of September are banned. The festival will now make its European debut on the 6th to the 8th of July 2021 at Praia da Rocha, just south of Portimão.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.